Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. Let's learn how to create a data frame in Pandas and append values one by one. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So first things first, I have imported the Pandas library and I've imported NumPy random, and from there, that module, I have imported the randint function. And now as you can see, I'm basically using the data frames and I'm including random columns like lib, quantity1 and quantity2. So let's just print and see the data frame how it looks. So as you can see, it just says an empty data frame and there is a column of lib, quantity1, quantity2 and index currently is none. So let's try to append items one at a time. So now I've just pasted a line of code here. So let me explain you what it exactly means. So what I'm doing is data frame location of I, that is my index. So now I'll put it 0 and then I will again put a 0. So I'm just creating a data of name and I'm concatenating it to a string of the variable 0, that is the current index, and I'm concatenating it to a list of a random integer between 10 and having a size of 2. So now let's print the data frame and see the output. So as you can see, now we get a data frame by simply appending value using the data frame.lock option that chooses the index and then displays or equates that value based on our given input. So you can see at the 0th index there is a lib data of name 0, quantity 3 and quantity 2 3. Isn't that pretty simple? So now we can basically do anything with this. Like we can also introduce the concept of for loops and iterate a large number of values. So let's try to do that. Find range, let's do it 5 times. And here, instead of putting the hard coding the index, I will just put the I index iteration. The same goes here. And now let me run the program. And as you can see here, we get the libs from name 0 to name 4 having different quantities of value since I'm importing the random.randint function. Doesn't this seem pretty cool? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.